Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I hope today has been treating you well. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I have got, let me cover up my address, I have got a parcel here from GLISTEN Cosmetics. I purchased a few bits and I also got hold of one of their new mystery bundles. So if they are still available when this video goes up, I will leave it linked in the description box down below. I have only ever tried one thing from GLISTEN Cosmetics and I got it out to like remind myself what it was. It's the wet liner in the shade Bloody Mary. They have so many of these little wet liners. So this is like completely solid. It looks like it would just be a regular sort of eyeshadow, but it's not. It is a completely solid wet liner, so you have to add water into this, create a little paste, and then you can do eyeliner, you can do graphic liner, you can do all sorts of different things with these. And I really need to be using these sort of things more often because I think that they're a fantastic idea. And obviously I've only got one, so in this parcel, I do have 3 things that I chose off the website and the mystery bundle, the surprise bundle. So if any of the things in here are duplicates, if any of the things that I chose I also get in the mystery bundle, I will be doing a giveaway in this video, so you'll have to stay till the end because at this point I don't know what's in this parcel. So if you like these mystery box unboxing things, I have a whole playlist where I do various different brands. I've got a P. Louise one, I've got Made by Mitchell, I've got Beauty Bay, I've got all sorts of brands, all sorts of mystery bundles. I will leave that playlist linked up in the cards, but let's just dive on into this parcel. I'm like looking for my scissors while I talk. Let's get into the parcel. Okay, so we've got in the bag, I'm guessing this is the mystery products because then we've got 3 of the Chroma Magic multi-chrome liquid eyeshadows, and I will get into all of these. These are the products that I chose. So I got Phantom, Telepathy and Witchcraft. So get the scissors again and let's get into this packaging. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. I do feel like GLISTEN Cosmetics always gets their packaging right. Like it's always really well designed, which I love. Oh my goodness, look at this colour. So this is Phantom. Look at that colour. I'm going to swatch these. Oh, if I can get into them I will. This looks juicy. So that is Phantom. That's incredible. I love that. That actually looks like bubble gum because it's like blue and then when it catches the light it's like pink. Okay, then we have got telepathy. This one, that one. Do I have a good grasp of the English language? Not currently. So this is like a pink with gold. Okay, that just all over the lid. Again, beautiful. I actually feel like that on the inner corner and that on the outer corner. Getting ideas. And I will, if you want to see any of these specifically, let me know. I'm going to be playing with these so soon. And then the last one that I chose myself is Witchcraft, and this one is properly multi-chrome. This looks so shifty. Yes, that one looks slightly more sheer, like the base of it when it's not catching the light looks slightly more sheer, but obviously I don't know how long these have been laying down in a warehouse for or whatever, so I might just need to swirl the wand round in the packaging a little bit more. So that's like green and gold and red. Beautiful. So, so reflective. Those pastel ones though, they are speaking to me on a deeper level. So, like I say, they are the three that I chose myself. So let me just make a little bit of room, and then we will get into the mystery bundle. So I'll do this in real time. We can open it up together. I just need to snip along here. I'm so excited. There we go. So let's, oh, it's got down the side as well. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so we have got, this was a 7-piece bundle. So we've got a little triangle puff. I actually have like a little set of acrylic drawers on my table. I've got a whole drawer just for these little triangle puffs, so love that. Then we've got 2 brushes. So we have a liner brush that's like the thinnest, longest liner brush that I have ever seen in my life. Can you even see that? That is impressively dainty. So that is 9 or 6, depending on which way you look at it. And then we have F2, which is more of like a flat, long liner brush. I like both sort of liner brushes, depending on what sort of shape or like what I'm doing, depends on what sort of liner brush. So I'm very, very happy to have both of these. I will say that this one, like the flat one, is like the bristles are glued. So I'm gonna have to like, I don't know, rinse that under a tap or something, because that's not currently a brush. That is like a paddle at the minute. So that's fine. Then we've got a little individual shadow, and this is in Kaleidoscope. Let's open this up. Ooh, that is pretty. Red. I don't have very many shades like this. Oh, that feels creamy. That feels really, really soft. That colour is impressive. Okay. Okay, so that is like properly a foil. Look at the pigment from that. That is from one swipe. That's almost like a bronzy, oh, I don't know, it's more red than that. It's like brass, I don't know. That is beautiful though. There's no like shift to it. I know they do have some like pan things, like little individual ones that are like duochrome, multichrome. That's not, it doesn't have any sort of shift to it, but that is really, really bright and reflective. I am just gonna have to wipe my hand off before I get it all over myself. Then we have the Spectra Lash. So is this a mascara? Yes, so this is a mascara, and this is in the shade Blonde. I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of a blonde coloured mascara, but let's see what the shade actually looks like on the wand. How do I use a product like that? And when I say how do I use a product like that, I mean obviously if you want to like block out your brows, you could probably use a product like this. If you want to like blank out your lashes, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So what do I use this for? Answers on a postcard. I don't know. If this was like a colour, if this was like a green or a blue or something like that, I would absolutely use that on my lashes. I wonder if they've got, because I've been looking actually for like a burgundy mascara, like a ready toned brown or like a plum. I could be on board with that. I haven't looked, but I could absolutely be on board for that. Then we have got a split liner, which is huge. This is in, it just says split liner palette. It does say on the back, however, should I be worried about this? Do let me know. If you are allergic, pregnant, or are under treatment/medication for any skin or hair disorders, you must consult with your healthcare professional before using any of our products. I mean, pregnant, no I am not, but allergic to pretty much everything, yeah I am. And there isn't, is there the ingredients? Yeah, the ingredients are listed on here. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. How incredible are those colours? That, right, I know that these are like obviously very, very bright colours, but how nice is that brown? Like I was just saying, like a ready toned warm brown. That looks beautiful. So you've got a green, a bright, bright hot pink, a navy blue, a brown, and an orange. I love the look of that. Those colours are like, I have nothing in my collection that are like these. And I have quite the liner collection, but they look really, really nice. I wonder if these are, I wonder if they're UV. Because some of GLISTEN Cosmetics liner products are UV. I wonder if those ones are. They look really, really nice. And obviously that is going to last you absolutely forever. Like that is huge. And then the last product in the box is stuck to that brush. And it is the Spectra Paints Multi-Use Cosmetic Paint. And this is just in orange. Not overcomplicating it, just orange. Oh, so it looks like a little tube of paint. So cute. Right, let's see what this shade actually looks like. It's all sealed. Love to see that. So I've just put the tiniest little dot there and, oh, I've lost the lid. I've just dropped the lid on the floor. I'm never finding that. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, that's a really nice, almost verging on like burnt orange colour. And again, you'll have to let me know because I really don't know anything about the brand. Do I use that as like an eyeshadow primer? Do I use that just as an eyeshadow by itself? It does seem like it will sort of blend out nicely. Like I've just taken a tiny, tiny little bit and it does sort of blend down. So how do I use the GLISTEN Cosmetics Spectra paints? I love an orange like eye look. So what do I use this as, like a liquid liner that's like in a paint form, or do I use this as an eyeshadow base? Let me know. Let me know. I need to find that lid. BRB. Right, found it. Let's securely close that back up. And that is everything that I got in the GLISTEN Cosmetics mystery bundle. I can't remember how much I paid for this. Was it about £25? That seems to be ringing a bell. I can't remember. Would I have picked up any of these products had they not been in the mystery bundle? No. I was maybe hoping that there were going to be some more of those like multi-chrome products. They've got liners, they've even got lip glosses. Like I was interested in those. I don't know if I would necessarily buy one, but I was interested to try one if they'd been in this mystery bundle. I do feel like this was potentially a bundle of products to try and get rid of products that maybe haven't sold very well. You know what I mean? Sometimes you get a mystery bundle and it's actually got like best-selling products in it. I don't feel like I've necessarily heard anything about any of these. And how many people want a blonde mascara? I don't know, but I am very, very interested in those 3 products that I bought myself. So because I don't have any crossover here, there isn't going to be a giveaway involved. I'm sorry if you were holding on till the end to find out about that one, but yeah, I don't really know if I would recommend this mystery bundle. I think for the products that are in here, you could have just chosen a small selection of products that you actually wanted. You know, like these 3 that I chose are the most interesting products out of this order, and I chose these. So that's my review on that. I will be doing a look with these, probably the blue and the pink, incredibly soon because I'm very, very excited about those. Very, very excited. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe down below. My name is Millie. I post at least 3 times a week on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday, but it's always more often than that because I get overexcited about makeup. I also don't always sound like this. I've had tonsillitis and I'm just ploughing through. I'm just getting the thing done. So hopefully in the next video I won't sound like this, but if you want to subscribe and find out, I would love to have you in our little corner of the internet. But until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.